So guys, I bought an Amazon license plate relocation kit that hooks up onto the Volkswagen Jetta here in where the tow hook goes. It's not the best kit, missing some pieces of hardware. Some of the hardware isn't exactly adequate. I was just more or less interested in what the vehicle would look like with it. And it kind of looks okay, but it's definitely not my style. I want to go back to having it symmetrical where it fits right in the center. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you see here, we have the new Volkswagen, new old stock fog light. It's only just in there. Now, going over to this side, it's righty-loosey, lefty-tighty. I've done this a couple times now, so I'm practically a professional. But as you see here, what I did is I put the painter's tape up here, got my lines, and I put it in all the way till it was tight. There we go, right about there, because I want it to be nice, plain. So it lines up with right there, which is the same line as here, going across, and then right in the middle for that. Now, righty-loosey, lefty-tighty. So what I did next is I took the old one, and as you can see here, as I compared the two, we have not just the broken tabs at the top, but it's been broken in here, and then this side here was broken off, which I only just noticed. Like, I saw the break, but I didn't know that this had a little, it hooks into there. So mine never had that, neither did the other one on the other side. And I'm looking at this thing as I'm placing it in, and you can see how where this lines up nicely. Now, if you look at this carefully, I'll take the tape off because this one I don't exactly need. There's not much plastic to remove. Like, if I took a 3/4 bit, probably an inch, like it wouldn't matter all that much. So really, all I need to know is to come down here and then come up a little bit. So I'll make my pencil marks, make that happen. I did the same over here just to make sure that it all works out. And you stick this in here just like so. And you can bring it in nice and close. I don't want to click it in for obvious reasons, but it works. So why Volkswagen didn't do this, I'm not sure, but we're going to do it now. So I finally officially get to use my 12-volt die grinder. So now we've got our hole. Very simple. Just kind of place it in there. Wow, so that works. That worked way easier than I thought it would be. I was expecting it to be something complicated. So let's take a closer look. And that was very simple to do. Like, all I have to do is copy that over to that one now that I have some practice. that actually looks way better than I thought it would. Good thing I took my time, got to practice. Obviously that's not going to stay in there, but that makes it easy for anybody else who needs to have to tow this vehicle. It's easy access, and that was the whole plan. So lefty tighty, righty loosey, and we're good to go. And y'all know that the button in the rear is this little plastic piece here. You pull this down, put that in, and it's lefty tighty, righty loosey. And that way, there, done. Simple as that. So thanks for watching, guys. This is a little update to the vehicle, and you can barely notice it once you get that done. This is awesome. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.